Can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with everything. All I wanna hear is in the pieces I replay. Right next to you. Yeah. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you wait. You don't really.
Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing a Kinky straight wear and go glueless wig from BGM Hair. I have the wig in 26 inches and 180% density. The wig did come with some goodies, 2 wig caps, a pair of lashes, an elastic band, which I did not have to use, an edge brush, and this really cute bonnet that they sent over with their logo on it. This wig did come pre-cut and also pre-plucked. Here is the wig right out of the pack just on my hand. The inside construction of the cap did not come with any combs. It does have an adjustable wide elastic band and a 4x6 closure. Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. I am Shanae Moniz. If this is your first time here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can come hang out with me all the time. So I've given you all the stats on this wig here that I got from Black Girl Magic Hair. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on just straight out of the pack before I've done anything, just to see what type of wig cap I need to put on with it, if I need to tint the lace with any powder or anything like that. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back and I'll show you what the wig looks like straight out of the pack and right on my head. The lace has been pre-cut. I want to give you an up close of that, and it has like a little squiggly line edge. Now what they say is this wig is supposed to be glueless straight out of the pack. So we're gonna see. The elastic band inside of the wig is also adjustable as well. So as for right now, I'm just gonna leave it where it's adjusted at and see, put it on, and then I'll know from there if I need to tighten it up a bit. Also, this wig is a 4x6 closure wig. So this is it straight out of the pack right onto my head. This is where the closure ends at on this side and on this side. So it gives you, instead of like a 5x5 or a 4x4, it gives you a 4x6. So 6 inches across the forehead and then 4-inch parting in the back. It does look good, you guys. It does lay very nicely flushed against my skin, but I am going to go in and just tint it with some powder. The cap is very, very comfortable. Like, this is like one of the most comfortable caps that I have actually had on a wig in a long time. So I am going to go ahead and just grab my powder and lightly tint the lace with the powder.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for a nigga so cheap. Being flex so deep, sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you gotta pay it, now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, and I'm looking violent.
Wow, you guys, so just popping the wig on my head. I don't have any glue on my head. I don't have any adhesive on my head. I literally just tinted the lace with my powder and put the wig on my head, you guys. And this is what? So y'all, I literally just put this on my, you guys saw me in real time, put this on my head. Girl, baby. Now I know that they were claiming that there was these glueless wigs out here that was pre-cut and pre-plucked and everything for you. And I was like, okay, whatever, I'm gonna give it a try, but I didn't have much faith in it. But baby, like, girl, you just saw me put this wig, take this wig out. You just saw me take this wig, put some powder on it underneath the lace.
What?
And put this bad boy on my head. no ebin spray, no got to be, no spritz, nothing. Like, this is just literally out the pack with a little powder and on my head. Wow, wow. I'm gonna go ahead and probably put some heat to it, put my hot comb at the top and straighten it out maybe just a little bit to get a little tiny bit of the kink out, because I actually really like the kink and natural look of a kinky straight wig. But you guys, this is about to be my new favorite wig. Anything quick and easy that I can take on and off at night, this is like a dream wig. This is like a dream wig. I'm not getting any shedding from this unit at all. Like, and I haven't even brushed out this wig and my hands are just gliding right through it. Let me finish up the wig and I'll be back. All right, you guys, so I have finished straightening out the wig. It's straightened out beautifully. I was able to run through each section with one pass of my flat iron at 450 degrees. And you guys, look, like, this is crazy to me that there is nothing tacking this lays down on my forehead. And I did change my shirt just so you can get a really good view of the hair, because I had the darker shirt on. So I put a white shirt on so you can get a view of the hair. And I'm going to give you guys a 360. This is where the hair comes down to me. It is 26 inches long and it is true to length. And here is all the hair back to the front. So yeah, girl, I am very, very impressed with this wig, to be honest with you. Like, I'm very impressed with it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I rate this wig a 10 out of 10. This is by far the best wig that I have ever reviewed. If you are interested in this wig, I will have it linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe so you can come and hang out with me all the time. And I will see you in the next video.